Yeah, that's the supposedly like the new logo for like that Black Friday. For Black Friday last year, they came out with that logo. Adams, you see how?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I liked it, but they're back to the original one. Every season they change it up.
Yeah.
They do their limited edition. Who just bought this one?
That was mine. This one's his.
That was mine. That's his, and then he's at home.
She's building the business, right? No, tell me about it, man, because I got my car back, but I've just been spending on the products. Like, I could spend a couple G's on products, you know, but I need rims. I still need a couple more things on it, so it's just priorities.
So how did Alamo do on the car?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, they fixed all the gaps. I just gotta fix a couple more things. It's gonna be at the LST.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's gonna be at LST. It's not. I'm not competing. It was too late to compete, but he saved me a spot. I guess somebody backed out.
Yeah.
products itself.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. You're good, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
I'm not going nowhere.
How much pressure? Less pressure. Less pressure.
For real?
Yeah. Just glide it like, just
But how am I gonna follow that line?
with the same weight. No, you don't have to cut it straight. Just
Oh,
the
okay.
excess.
Oh, okay.
Just with the weight of the
Because I don't have my big truck full of trailers, I don't have to pull it.
All the stuff. Didn't you see what happened with the scooter? I broke my own thing.
Hey, bro, who's responsible?
Not me. Damn. No.
So he's not on the FreddyLSX, is that what you're trying to tell me?
Don't let him turn it on.
Oh, he can't. Keys are not in there. Are they? Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in drive and fucking with his bike.
Burn that, okay? It's gonna come back strong though.
They're painted black.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
I want to wrap them in carbon fiber. If that's something you can do.
Yeah, we can. What carbon fiber are you trying
Well, I
to?
got that I'm gonna put something similar.
But it's real carbon fiber, right?
What do you mean?
It's real carbon
Yeah,
fiber?
the diffuser is, yeah.
I mean the real one and the one that you have on the front.
Yeah, because I
Yeah.
was looking for the gloss one.
Lost carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Because there's one that's called texture, but you don't want that
No, no, you don't want
Just
texture.
whatever's closest to
The
that.
one. Okay.
like this over here. Let's show you. Two options. But it's like the same weave.
The same weave.
Yeah.
I'm not really picky about
This is
it.
gonna be covered, or it's gonna show a little bit, right?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, this thing's clean.
Right.
Almost.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, not much.
See, those are like kind of the rims like I'm looking for. Something like that.
Are those like stock GTR wheels? Okay.
I think you just put the center cap. Those has to be forged.
Like I wouldn't mind having an import or American muscle.
I don't care. All the time.
If it's fast.
Oh shit, my bad.
Damn, so you're saying this is a muscle? Damn. This ain't an exotic.
This is bald eagles, right?
Bald eagles right here. That's the difference. Oh, look at the little. Oh my God, look at the little video. Holy crap. That's my ingredients. That's not that. Not as good as a GTR. Shut up, Omar. No one cares about 6 cylinders like a GTR. Oh yeah, Omar, you got a V6 like a GTR. That's why I'm thinking V6. All you need is the turbos. So let's see, bumping the truth, pull it out. So is that guy coming back with the GTR? Yeah. Right now?
Probably like in a week. Whenever we're done with his, so we're booked all week.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do the whole thing. No. Damn, that looks sick, dude. Holy shit.
I'm glad you did it, man. It made a big difference.
Made a big difference. You like it, Omar? I'm still thinking about this GTR. Damn.
Different car.
Yeah, it is. I sent them to San Antonio for Expel Rap to learn.
Oh, ahorita?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he got all tips and tricks and shit, huh? Was it like a rap school or what?
It's a clear rap school for like clear film.
Damn, that looks sick.
Ahí los miramos. Ya está.
All right? Down.